Hello guys, today we are going to discuss the Python interpolation. So what is Python interpolation? It is a process of substituting values of variables into the placeholders. Suppose we want to change the value of the variable every time you print. Then we are going to use the Python interpolation using the modulo operator. Now let's see the working of the modulo operator. See, we have the two variables, place and the number. Now, the modulo variable, what does it do? For the string, we are writing %s. For integer, %d, then we are placing the values over here. Now, let's run this program to see the output. So, you are able to see the output. Taj Mahal is one of the 7 wonders. I hope it is useful to you. Thank you.